namaste, welcome to Greeter. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys, means a lot to me. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box below. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is what unexpected events are going to happen very soon in your life. That is going to be the reading for today. So remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings, so whenever you watch, this reading is for you. Okay, so I have three groups over here. I have kept three butterflies, so you can choose one pile and watch your reading. So close your eyes, relax, let go of all the worries, let go of all the tension. Just connect with your higher self, or connect with your intuition, and then select a butterfly or a card that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so relax, take few deep breaths, then relax, let go of all the worries, and then select a pile that calls to you. Okay, so we have for group number one, this is the red color butterfly. For group number two, it's pink. And for group number three, it's a yellow one. Okay, so the timestamps will be listed in the description box below. Okay, so if you need more time, take your time, pause the video, and then choose the pile. Okay, so I'm going to start with group number one. Number one, if you choose this red color butterfly, let's see what are the unexpected events happening soon in your life. So let's see, with this red color is all about love and happiness, right? So a lot of love and happiness is coming your way. Yeah, that is what I feel. A lot of passionate energy, finally getting out of bed, like unexpectedly. You will be like, maybe you're feeling very low right now, maybe health wise you're not so feeling very good right now, and you'll unexpectedly you will be like waking up, doing your you're doing your work, you will have all the energy, right? So that is what something very unexpected I'm getting here. Let's see, we have three of swords, again the red color, right? So yeah, okay, let's see, we have 10 of swords. Yeah, so yeah, if your health is very weak right now, expect that your health will be okay very soon. Okay, then we have two of cups. Yes, your energies are going to be very very balanced, and look, we have high priestess here. So maybe for some of you, you are making a connection with spirit. You will be receiving a lot of signs, a lot of numbers. You will have a very good connection with spirit. That is what I feel like. You're healing your body, you're healing your mental health. For some of you, it's like spiritual awakening also. You're connecting more with your higher self. So spiritually also, I feel like a lot of things are changing, things are shifting for you guys. So if you have been working on the spiritual path, maybe for some of you, this pain is going to trigger a spiritual awakening that will be very very unexpected. So maybe for some of you, you have gone through you have lost someone, or you have gone through a breakup, maybe you have gone through a loss of a job, maybe major disappointments, but this is over, right? This is the thing, this is over. You will be out of it. That is the unexpected thing. You will be out of this situation very very soon. If you're feeling, yeah, you will not be able to out, maybe you're thinking about the situation, maybe you're thinking about this person, or maybe you're feeling like very low right now. So it's the unexpected thing is like you will be very soon out of this situation. Okay, and the worst is over, guys. The worst is over. The things, yeah, you have gone through the worst. Now it's time of things coming together. Like with this two of cups, things, people coming together, your energy is coming together. Maybe for some of you, you are seeing number 222 right now. I feel like that number, like angels are surrounding you, they are with you, they are giving you a lot of messages, a lot of signs. So close your eyes, relax, and then whenever you feel very stressed, whenever you feel very low, just have a spiritual practice, like just light an incense, light a candle, and just sit with that and just pray to divine. It will be very very healing for you guys. But I think the unexpected thing is like you're completely healing your body, your mind, your soul. Everything is healing. For many of you, it's a spiritual awakening also, I feel like. And some information is out. I feel like some hidden information is also coming out, and because of that, you will feel very happy, like things will come together. You know, sometimes when truth come out, we feel relaxed, like that kind of energy. Something will come out, you know, you will know that this person is, you know, maybe you have doubt about this person, and you will get the clarity about this person, and because of it you will feel very, very relaxed. Some sort of information that was hidden from you is coming out. Okay. And for some of you it's like a spiritual union also. So if you are single out there, if you're looking for a partner or something like that, I feel like a soulmate energy is what is coming. You know, you will, when you will meet this person, you will know it intuitively that this is the one. Okay. For some of you, you might be you might be inclined towards you know, maybe you want to have a reading for yourself, or a tarot reading, or maybe you will go to an astrologer or something like that. Maybe this person will help you balance yourself. Maybe the information that you receive will balance you. That is something I feel like an unexpected you will unexpectedly visit an astrologer, or you will ask for a reading, something like that is also, I feel, for many of you. Or maybe if you read tarot, if you do, maybe you will get a lot of clarity. Okay, about this thing. For some of you, definitely a spiritual connection is also what I feel. Maybe a friend, meeting an unexpected friend, and you will be you know, sometimes we meet people and we feel very connected, right? Yeah, that kind of feeling I'm getting. Maybe a new person will enter, and this person, you will have a great connection with this person, like it can be a platonic connection also, like a friendship, a soulmate. So something about that. Maybe this person also is very spiritual, you are also very spiritual, like a spiritual connection. Maybe this person is really very spiritual, and this person will help you heal. That is also something I feel like. Maybe this person will take you forward with your spiritual journey. Okay. Something that is also something I feel like. Okay. But definitely there is things coming together for you guys. I feel like, you know, your everything has been apart for you guys. Things were not so good, disappointments, heartbreak, but now things are coming together. Everything is coming in balance with this 2 and 2 number. You got 2 number twice, right? So that is what I feel. For many of you, you are having the energy back. You know, sometimes we don't have the energy to even to wake up early in the morning to do things, right? So for you guys, I feel like you have been in that place where you don't want to get up from the bed, or don't want to do anything. The things you like, you were not feeling it. Right now I feel like that unexpectedly you will wake up and you will have the energy. You will read the book, you will do the house cleaning, whatever you want to do. So yeah, there is this, you are letting go of that pain, and you're moving forward. You're letting go of people, the people, you know, maybe for some of you it's like people might have said something to you, and because of it you felt so hurt. Maybe your friends ditched you, whatever it is, you're coming out of it. And that's going to that will happen very quickly also. I feel like, you know, one day you will get up and you will be like, okay, I'm just letting it go. That kind of energy. And yeah, we have healer. You chose the card healer of the ages, and with this healer I'm feeling like that you're healing. For some of you, if you have been gone through health problems, you're healing your health problems. But I feel like mentally you're becoming more stronger. Okay. And we have number 6, like six. Maybe you have gone through a lot of changes, a lot of action, a lot of challenges. Now it's time for harmony, balance, right? Balance is restoring in your life. Okay. I'm getting like Gmail right now. Maybe for some of you, you will receive a mail that will give you a lot of clarity, a lot of answers. Maybe a mail from a friend, or mail from a person that will give you a lot of clarity. Or maybe you're waiting for a mail, you will receive that. Some sort of information is going to get revealed for you guys, and because of that you will feel very, very balanced. A lot of balance is what is I feel for you guys. And yeah, so whatever is not serving you, like use fire to burn it out. Like write it down and burn it in the fire, the things that is not serving you, the things that are weighing you down. So use journaling. Okay, that will help you. Next is like, yeah, you're going to see the beauty in everything. So right now you are not in the space, maybe you are overcoming that phase, but soon you will be enjoying all the beautiful things. You will be seeing little butterflies, and you will be so excited to see the butterflies. Like finally you are coming back together. Like finally you're enjoying yourself. You're finally you're looking, look interesting. You got the number 2 again. If you reduce 22, it's like 2, right? 2 2 2. So yeah, your number is 222. Just go, just it's like I feel like balance. Angels are working with you, they are working with you, they are helping you heal. Yeah, that's the thing, they are helping you heal. You are going to heal and you're going to feel very, very good about yourself. You will see all the positive things, I feel. Maybe if you're right now seeing all the negative things, your negative thoughts are going to change into positive thoughts, and it'll be very unexpected. You're going to see the beauty. Maybe you're seeing a lot of butterflies, and it's like your transformation. It's the time for transformation, right? You're transforming, you're growing, you're coming back together. Okay. uh, so for you guys, it's like, if you can walk in nature, walk, see all the beauty of the nature, look at the butterflies, smile, and understand that you're beautiful. Practice self-love. Understand that you're beautiful. There's so much beauty around you guys, so it's time to look. So it's like, get out of your room, get into nature, enjoy, like read your book outside if you can, like enjoy a cup of coffee outside, and look at the trees, look at the sky, enjoy. Okay, that is what I feel. And when you connect yourself with nature, you will heal very, very faster. Okay. And look the beauty of yourself also. Okay, don't judge yourself for the things other, sometimes other people say something and we judge ourselves based on that. Don't do that. Okay. And yeah, Holy Spirit, expect miracles. Wow, your spirit has your back. Your angels, I told you, 222 number, your angels are with you, they are guiding you. Maybe your master number 22 for some of you, but definitely they are guiding you. They are filling your cup. That is what I feel. Maybe because of other people you have given a lot and you have never received anything back. Now it's time to receive. So you're going to receive a lot of good people, a lot of good things also. So some messages that will make you so happy. So yeah, remember that only love is real. Miracles will occur naturally. Spirit has your back. Sometimes miracles, you can see miracles in small things, like seeing a butterfly might be a miracle for you. Maybe you think about something and you see it. Yeah, sometimes that can be a miracle. Small things can be a miracle, right? So enjoy that small miracles, look into it, enjoy it, feel that, feel the joy. But definitely miracles are coming your way. I told you things, people, for some of you good friendships are coming. Maybe for some of you, I feel like it's a spiritual union also. Maybe for some of you, a person, your friend maybe might be very spiritual, and she will help you, or he or she will help you grow spiritually. Yeah, or maybe it can be like online. You will meet someone online, you will talk about it, and you will feel very relaxed. But yeah, your cup is going to fill up, because with this cup, that is what I feel, spirit has your back. Remember that your angels, your spirit guides, all are there for you. They are guiding you, they are helping you through this phase. You're healing, so enjoy life. That is what. And last card is like charity, prayer and contemplation. Connect with heaven, ask and you shall receive. Look, when you ask, you will receive all the miracles. So it's the time for praying. So if you have been praying for something, yes, definitely they have heard you. Your spirit guides, your angels are hearing you. Yes, if you have been praying for a connection, yes, that's going to happen. It's going to manifest. For some of you, maybe you're manifesting a soulmate. Yes, you will have that. So yes, ask and believe in it. Okay, sometimes we don't believe in our own manifestation. We ask and then we doubt. Don't doubt. Just pray. Just remember that you are loved. Your spirit guides, your angels are there for you. They are guiding you. Maybe your sign is like a butterfly. Maybe you ask for something, maybe you see a butterfly, maybe that is your sign. Or maybe you're seeing a lot of butterflies. So spirit guides are near you. They are, when you see butterflies, I feel like your passed on loved ones or ancestors are near you. They are guiding you, they are taking care of you. So you're going to heal. And if you have been praying, if you have been asking for something, please believe in it, trust in that, because miracles are going to happen in your life. So we are talking about unexpected events. So I feel like one event is like meeting someone, and that connection will grow, and you are waking up, you are changing your own energy. That is something very unexpected that is going to happen. If you're feeling very low, your energy might shift. You will become very positive, you will be feeling very good, you will be feeling very optimistic. That is also something I feel like. Inside of your body, things are going to heal. Yeah, the main thing is like the things, like the past events, the sometimes our childhood things, you're healing right now in your life. So yeah, expect more miracles, see the miracles in small small things, and give the gratitude to divine. Okay, so that's it for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Hello everyone, if you have chosen pile 2, the pink butterfly, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what are your unexpected events happening very soon. So with this pink butterfly, I feel like a lot of love energy is what people are going to pamper you. There's a lot of love that you will receive unexpectedly. Maybe some of you, it's like, yeah, people will be appreciating you. Maybe for some of you, you post online content from online online content, maybe you will receive a lot of love from there. Or maybe I am even getting this energy where you will receive love from unexpected people. Okay, so that's the thing. And yes, we have 6 of cups and 9 of swords. So you are very stressful about your past. Maybe you have lost a pet or something like that. You're very yeah, very stressed or very worried about something. What I feel like is you're going to let go of your past. Maybe for some of you, yeah, I'm very attracted to this dog. Maybe, yeah, you're letting go of someone from past completely. That is going to happen. You're moving forward. Maybe a past relationship you're letting go of. Maybe you have lost a pet, and you are finally, you had a connection with this pet, and because of this, because you used to dream about this pet, you were not able to sleep properly or something like that. So you're finally letting go of that. You're moving forward. Okay, so yeah, you were very stressful, where you were not able to sleep at night because you were thinking about your past, about past people, about the past events. But what I see is like you are getting out of it, and you are getting out of it. Okay, you're getting out of your past. All this stressful energy, you are going to come out of it. And unexpectedly, maybe for some of you, you might adopt a pet. Like maybe you will adopt a dog, and because of this dog you will feel very good. Yeah, something about dog. Loyal connections. Yeah, for some of you, you will receive a lot of love. I told you, loyal connections are coming your way. Okay. We have Two of Pentacles. Maybe you're worried about how you're going to manage your home life and your career. You will be able to manage. You will receive support. Okay. And we have Nine of Pentacles, and we have Three, the Empress. So 9 and 9, two nines here. So with this, I feel with this there is a completion happening for you guys. You're like ending a chapter, you're closing a door. And interestingly, you got this adjacent possibilities, right? So you are closing the door from the past. Yeah, with the Six of Cups and Nine of Swords, you have been worrying about your past. You have been in the past energy. You have been thinking about past relationship, past people, and finally you are closing that door, because a lot of new doors are opening for you guys. So maybe for some of you, you are ending a relationship, and with this Nine of Pentacles, you are going to be single and you're going to be happy, right? That's one thing for some of you. So for some of you, you're planning to work from home, and you will receive a lot of offers, lot of things coming, like a lot of offers, lot of collaboration, like different doors opening for you guys with this adjacent possibility. So if a door has been closed, there is a lot of doors opening up for you guys, and you will be like, wow, there is so much more opportunities that I can receive, right? So sometimes we have only a limited view, right? And because of that, you were like, maybe you have lost an opportunity in the past, and because of that, now also you are stressing about it. Oh my god, I lost this opportunity, I lost this pet of mine, I lost this person. So but what is happening for you guys now is like you are finally ending this chapter. You are ready to close the door. The door has been closed, but you were not ready. Sometimes we resist, right? Sometimes we don't want to close the door, and you were like that, you didn't want to close the door, right? And you were like holding on to that door, sitting in front of that door, and the door was not opening. Finally you're like, yeah, I know that this door is not going to open, so I'm walking away from it. So yes, you are going to walk away from it. You're spiritually growing. Okay, with the soul expansion card also, your consciousness is expanding. You understand the connection between all things. With this card, you know what I feel like, you're understanding the things that happened in the past is for a reason. Yeah, that the door didn't open up for you guys, it's because of a reason. So you're understanding that now you're not going to resist it. Okay, so you're finally like, you're like walking away. You're understanding that, yeah, this door is not not going to open up anymore. So there are so many more opportunities for me, so I'm walking away from this door. So maybe you are holding on to a relationship, a person, and this person was not giving you the love that you deserve, right? And maybe a job that was not giving you the benefits that you deserve. So finally you are walking away from this, and you're moving towards love, right? So with this Nine of Pentacles and the Empress card, there is so much you can do. There's going to be lot of opportunities, right? With this Empress, yeah, there is so much of abundance that is coming. Love, I love abundance, lot of opportunities, lot of creative ideas. You're going to birth new ideas. Maybe for some of you it's like you were trying different methods to get pregnant, and finally you're like, oh, I don't want to do this anymore, and you're walking away from that. You're not resisting that, and you're like letting go it, sometimes when we let go of it, that is when things happen. So for you guys, maybe unexpectedly you will get pregnant. Yeah, that's the thing. You're understanding why things didn't happen in the past, because sometimes things happen at the correct time. So maybe you were not ready at the past, that's why you didn't get that opportunity. You are finally balancing your energies. You're finally understanding all the connections, that how our past is connected to our present, and our present is connected to our future. So everything divine knows best, right? So you're understanding that, and you will be very, very happy about it. I feel like that, so maybe for some of you, when you will let go of the things, and that is when you will manifest a lot of opportunities for you guys. Like you were holding on to a job, that I want this job, and it was not happening for you guys, and finally you're like, no, I'm letting go of it. I will try different things, and you will get a lot of good opportunities, right? So yeah, that is what I feel like. You're going to practice self-love. You will take care of yourself. You will have enough financial growth also. With the Nine of Pentacles and the Empress, you will have your finances. If you're worried about your finances, there is a lot of growth in your finances, lot of love, lot of ideas that you're going to birth. And for some of you, if you're pregnant, yes, your pregnancy is going to be good. And if you have been this energy where you wanted to conceive, and now you're like letting it go, yes, unexpectedly you will get that news, like that you're pregnant, so something that you wanted, you were holding on to it, and finally you're like, no, I don't want it anymore, I'm letting it go. You will be letting it go, and that is when it will manifest. So that is the thing here for you guys. And you will grow, you will understand things, you will understand the connection between, like, how universe works. Yes, and this maybe for some of you, your money was like, sometimes money was blocked, or maybe you were not receiving that the money you wanted, and now you will understand that why that money was blocked, because you had to use it for different things, right? So you will receive that money, and you will use for different things. And maybe for some of you, it's like you will start a business, start up, and that will grow. So yeah, you're going to understand the connection between things. You're going to balance things very beautifully. Lot of love, lot of support. Maybe for some of you, you will post videos, and it will get good, good audience. A lot of people will support you for what you're doing, but there is a lot of abundance for you guys. So but yeah, when you let go of these things, that is when it is going to manifest. I don't know, that is what I'm feeling. And with this adjacent possibility, there's so much. You don't have to knock on one door, there's so many doors opening up for you guys. So yeah, that is what you're going to let go, and everything will happen unexpectedly for you guys. So that's it for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Group number 3, if you chose this yellow color butterfly, let's see what is your message. What is the unexpected? Okay, let's see what are the unexpected events happening very soon for you guys. There's a lot of joyful events going to happen. You will be very, very happy. Some sort of surprise party also for some of you. I feel like maybe surprise gifts you will receive. That's a very specific message. Surprise gifts, surprise events, maybe a surprise pizza. Someone will give you a pizza, and you'll be very surprised. Oh my god, I got this pizza, now I can eat this, something like that. Maybe, yeah, getting something, yeah, that is the thing. Small things, small surprises, and that will make you so happy. Okay, so let's see. You have the King of Wands. Okay, look, I'm very attracted to the Lion. Leo season is going to be very important, and we have the Sun card. Yeah, okay, so maybe for some of you, you might get a surprise. Leo season is starting soon, right? So yeah, expect some surprises, like yeah, someone bringing a cake, Maybe if your birthday is in this Leo season, maybe you'll be surprised by a cake, or maybe some gifts that will make you happy, right? Feeling like enjoy, feeling, for some of you it's like you will be very nostalgic, thinking about your past birthdays, and yeah, getting very nostalgic feelings. That is also, I feel, for some of you. Yeah, you're going to be in your power, and that is what you're going to be, very very confident. You're going to speak your truth. Maybe in the past you didn't do it, and that is the thing that will be very unexpected. So you will be taking stand for yourself. You're not going to give in, right? Maybe in the past, even if someone let you down, sometimes arguments happen, and for the sake, for choosing peace, we don't talk, we don't say our truth, right? But what is going to be very unexpected here is, like, I feel like you're going to be so in your power that even if someone says something, you will stand up for yourself. You're not going to shut your mouth this time. You will just stand up for yourself, and you will speak your truth, and you are going to be very very confident. And yeah, there is some sort of inner child healing happening for you guys. You're healing your past. Maybe in the past, maybe in the, because of your childhood, you were not so confident, but I feel like you're becoming more courageous, you're becoming more confident. You're going to be very very happy. Okay, you're going to be very very happy. That's what I feel like. Feeling very renewed, happy news. Maybe for some of you, you will meet a person who is a fire sign, like a person who is very well balanced, whose money, finances wise, everything will be very good. This person, will meet this person. Maybe this person will make you happy. Maybe your spouse will make you very very happy. They might give you some gifts that will make you very very happy. So if maybe it's a friend of yours who will give you a gift and it will make you happy. So yeah, some sort, maybe, as I told you, maybe you'll receive a pizza, right? And that will make you happy. So that's the thing. So for others, I even feel like there is a sort of a promotion, like leveling up in your career. That is also something I feel. So maybe you will be like asking your boss, I want a raise in my salary, and you will get it, right? So maybe something like that also. So if you are business people, I see there is going to be a lot of advancement, lot of happy times happening for you guys with the Sun and King of Wands. You're going to be in your power, okay? With this Lion, and Leo season is going to be very important for you guys. Look, Hierophant. Look, I'm just attracted to the steps. Look, you're going to step up. You're leveling up, guys. You're leveling up in your spirituality. Like, maybe for some of you there is a promotion happening right? With this King of Wands and the Hierophant, I feel like a higher position in your job. Yeah, Three of Pentacles. Maybe for some of you, you will be given a project. In that project, you might be a team leader, or maybe you will get a collaboration from someone you wanted to work with, and this collaboration will because of this collaboration, you will go high in your career. So that is what, working together with people. Maybe there is something working together with people, because these three people are working together, and with this collaboration you are going to level up in your career. Maybe because of this collaboration will be very very successful, or this will be a creative endeavor of yours that will be very very successful, and because of it you will get a higher position in your job, something like that. But definitely, whatever your job, if you're working from home, there is maybe there will be collaborations happening. People will you will be collaborating with different people, and that thing will become a success. And so because of it, there will be a leveling up, and this will make you very very happy. So definitely there is a leveling up for you guys. So be confident, be courageous, because whenever you get some collaboration, maybe you will receive some collaboration ideas from different people. So take that ideas, okay? You're going to be a very good team player. I feel like you have that quality. You're a leader, okay? So yes, there is a lot of advancement, there is a lot of leveling up for you guys, and you will be like, oh my god, oh, I've come so far. You will be like, so this will be very unexpected, like promotion will be unexpected. Even though you're wanting to have a promotion, it will come at a very unexpected time, okay? Yeah, there is growth. There is for some of you, there is also spiritual growth. Spiritually you're growing. Spiritually, there is a lot of spiritual growth also for you guys. You're understanding your own power, okay? and you're understanding you're different from others, and you are going to think out of the box. Maybe for some of you an unexpected creative idea will come, and that will be very good, and it will become a success. Okay, so yeah, take notes of all your creative ideas. Okay, so yeah, there is a leveling up happening for you guys, group number 3. Look, so be in your power. With this power card, you have everything. Maybe for some of you, you have been manifesting during full moon, so that manifestation might come at this Leo season. Okay, Leo season is going to be very important for you guys. So be in your power. Don't give your power to anyone. Okay, if you want something, ask for it. Look, with this Mercury open communication, so if you want to ask for anything, ask for it. Don't keep it. Maybe you have a tendency to keep it to yourself. Maybe you want a raise in your salary and you're not asking it. Don't do that. Go and ask for it. Okay, so maybe if you want to share something with someone, if you feel like, you know, if a person is giving you a lot of work and you're not able to do it, just go speak up. Okay, don't keep it to yourself. Speak. Okay, and remember, you're going to be in your power. So you are becoming very, very confident, and you will be surprised by yourself. Oh my god, look at me, how confident I have become. You know, you'll be very proud of yourself. So look, yeah, the card you took is like victory. Of course there is victory. Of course you're going to be victorious with this project. If there is a new project happening, you're going to have this victory. Maybe for many of you, you will be overcoming, you know, maybe for some of you, you have a fear of speaking up your truth. Maybe you're overcoming that fear of yours, and you'll be victorious in that. Maybe you have stress, you stress a lot, you overthink a lot. You're going to get victory from that. You know, you will not be overthinking about anything. You will be just focusing on your work, and you're going to move forward. That is what I feel. You're becoming very courageous, very confident. You're going to level up in your work. The work you do is very, very good, so be proud of yourself. Okay, you're in your power. You understand that you're very powerful people, and you're going to recognize your own power. You haven't recognized your power, I feel like it. Now you're going to recognize. And of course there is victory in all the things, creative projects you're doing, in your relationships. Okay, victory in friendships. Okay, victory like communication, victory in communication, like communicating your truth, and people will not feel bad about it, because the way you communicate will be very good, right? You will be compassionate, at the same time you will be speaking your truth. So there is a lot of victory happening. So the thing, if you have been manifesting certain things for a longer, you know, maybe for some of you, you have been manifesting a thing during full moons, new moons, you have been writing and you have been using law of attraction. If that is the case, yes, there is victory. There is victory for you in all areas of your lives with this. You know, we have the sun card, yeah, isn't it? So like expect a lot of positive things happening in your career, in your relationship. There is growth in your marriage also. With this Hierophant, I feel like your marriage is also going to be very, very good. It will go good. You will be working as a team in your marriage. You know, sometimes in relationship, when we don't work as a team, that is when the problem arises. So I feel like you will be working as a team. You will be supporting each other, and because of that your relationship will grow, because you will be communicating your truth to your partner, and you will be in your power, and your partner will understand you. Sometimes we don't speak up, and that's when problem happens. You're going to communication. If has been a communication gap, it's going to go, it's going to close. You know, there will be no gap. You will be communicating your truth, they will be communicating your truth. So you're going to work as a team. Okay, so yeah, there is so much of leveling up, so much of happiness happening for you guys. And we have Clock of Wisdom. You already know the answer you seek. Trust what you know. So you have been feeling this thing. Maybe you are feeling, you know, maybe for some of you, I even feel like that you wake up and you feel so good. You feel like, oh, amazing things are going to happen to me today. And yes, amazing things will happen. That is what you know it. I feel like you know that good things are going to come your way. And yes, there is a lot of victory, there's a lot of goodness. So think big for yourself, because yes, that will manifest for you guys. And I have to say, you are powerful manifestors. You are the king of the jungle. You're the lion. You're the lion. You can achieve whatever you want to achieve. You can achieve your goals, because you're very, very self-disciplined people, right? So keep on working on yourself, keep on working on your projects, your ideas, and speak your truth, because you know when to speak and when to stop, right? You know it. So trust your intuition there. Okay, you know that. So yeah, that's all for my group number 3. Bye bye, take care.